Welcome back to this Chapter 23 video tutorial on learning macro and VBA in Excel. In this chapter, we will look into how to use the if, then else if, else statement in VBA. If, then else if, else statement is used for handling the multiple conditions. Let's look into this example. Here, I have few products and their stock level. Requirement is to display the action plan based on the condition given here. If the stock level is greater than 50, it is stock sufficient and no action needed. If the stock is between 26 to 50, stock level is moderate and close observation is needed. If the stock is between 6 to 25, it is low stock and reorder is required. And if the stock level is 0 to 5, it is considered very low stock and immediate reorder is needed. So here we have total 4 conditions and action plan is different for every conditions. In this case, we use the if, then, else if, else statement in VBA to display the action plan in column C. Let's learn how do we write the code in VBA. First, open VBA and create a module and sub-procedure. Define the variable to represent first row to display action plan, that is the row number 2. Dim I as integer. Press enter. Set the initial value of I as 2. I is equal to 2. Press enter and write the if statement to check for the first condition. If cells I2 dot value is greater than 50, then press enter. Cells I3 dot value is equal to stock sufficient, no action needed. Press enter. Now for the remaining conditions, we use the else if statement. Else if cells I2 dot value is greater than 25, then press enter. Cells I3 dot value is equal to moderate stock, watch closely. Press enter. Again, write the else if statement for third condition. Else if cells I2 dot value is greater than 5, then press enter. Cells I3 dot value is equal to low stock, place reorder. Press enter. Finally, for the last condition, use the else statement. Type else, press enter and press the tab key. Then, write code for the action plan of last condition. Cells I3 dot value is equal to very low stock. Reorder immediately. Press enter and press backspace key. Now, close the if statement by typing end if. Execute the code by hitting on the run button. Here you see the action plan is displayed as moderate stock. Watch closely. Because this stock level of 34 unit falls under second condition. Let's change this 34 unit to 2 unit and run the code again. Action plan is updated. It has displayed very low stock. Reorder immediately. This VBA code is working fine as intended, but it is applied for the first item only. What if you have to apply this for all the remaining items? In this case, we have to combine either of do while or do until loop, which we discussed in the chapter 19 and 20 of this video series. Let's combine here the do while loop. Before the if statement, insert this do while code. Do while cells I1 dot value is not equal to blank. After the end of if statements, increase the value of I by 1 to execute the code in every next row. Put here I is equal to I plus 1. Press enter and type loop to repeat the code. This do while loop will repeat the if, then else if, else statement while it finds the item names in the column A. When it finds a blank cell in column A, the code will stop executing. Let's run the final code and see what happens in the worksheet. Let me hit on this run button. The action plan for the corresponding stock quantities have been displayed successfully by using the if, then, else if, else statement in VBA. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next chapter.